Zinc alloys align well for the die casting process. Leading the way is a common alloy called Zamak. This family of alloys consists of aluminum, magnesium, copper, and zinc. Despite containing copper, you may wonder why this zinc alloy family is spelled with a K. This is because the acronym Zamak uses the German spelling. You may also see it in the English spelling with a C instead of the common K spelling. Zamak alloys are a separate family from the zinc aluminum or Az alloys, although they both maintain a consistent composite of 4% aluminum. To provide a brief history, in the 1920s, developers first introduced Zamak for high pressure die casting. This development paved the way for zinc die casting today. The most popular of the alloys, with over 70% of all zinc die casting, is in alloy number 3. The reason is its excellent balance of physical and mechanical properties. This holds true at Deco Products. Typically, Zamak number 3 is the first choice for our customers when considering alloys for zinc die casting projects. In addition to number 3, number 5, 2, and 7 are the other more common alloys used for zinc die casting at Deco Products. What is the right zinc alloy for your next design? Choosing the right zinc alloy is determined by the end use of the part. This is essential to selecting the correct alloy. Design engineers will consider all zinc alloys for a die cast design. Zamak and Za alloy families have similar composites and are better in different applications. So why choose zinc for your next casting part? There are several reasons design engineers take advantage of the benefits of a part cast in zinc. And here are the answers to a few of our frequently asked questions on the benefits of Zamak. Does casting in zinc require costly machining? An advantage to zinc, it is very fluid. The fluidity allows for casting to tight tolerances and dimensional accuracy. The casting to final shape, or you may also hear it referred to as net shape manufacturing, to reduce or eliminate costly machining. Are you able to apply a finish to the Zamak alloys to achieve an attractive appearance? Zamak alloys allow for several finishes such as paint, plated, or powder coating, providing an appealing look and texture. How strong is zinc compared to other materials? Zinc alloys are stronger than other materials that are die casted or injected molded. What can we expect for a tool life with a zinc die cast mold? A reason to select zinc is longer tool life. A typical zinc mold can last up to 1,000,000 shots and 10 times longer than other materials such as aluminum. The introduction of Zamak, a zinc alloy for die casting, changed high-pressure die casting in the 1920s. Zamak alloys, such as the most common zinc alloy number 3, offers the ability for diverse finishes, enhancing appearance and texture, while zinc's superior strength to weight ratio and prolonged tool life, with molds lasting up to 1,000,000 shots. It makes it a preferred material of choice for design engineers and sourcing managers.